Welcome back to Iceyyyboyz.
We are currently at the car meet,
where we're gonna eat some spam.
Look at that. So the meet is actually successful, dude. It's pretty poppin'. All the homies came out. My car, both my cars are here. Travis, the other homies. Ricky's car is over there, Brian's, Danny's is over there. We got more cars over here and over there. It's pretty poppin'. You guys haven't seen Ricky's car? It is nuts. I did his BN Sports sticker. Pretty lit. I think he was at Formula D for like the little meet. But this shit is clean. And then we got Brian's car over here. Always looking clean. If you guys checked out the old Iceyyyboyz meet, he got new fenders, new Cerebuses. And his bumper's looking good. Shit's clean. Got Travis's, my car. We got free stickers for you guys on the hoods or the windows. And yeah. But we also got this really beautiful thing. Clean. We got Anthony's bunk ass. What? Yeah, hold up. Anthony's car. More people coming in. What up, G's? Hey, tell your buddies not to do anything stupid. Yeah. Oh, MR2s. Hey, we got a lot of cars this meet. Head up to Feisty's and get your drinks. All the homies chilling. We got Danny's car. Always looking clean as fuck. On some tees. Fresh. This meet turned out to be great, except for that 350Z vert doing donuts right there. Fuck you. Hope you guys watch this video, because fuck you. But anyways, back to it. We got some IS on some KFs. It's just clean as fuck. Oh, we gotta, alright, chill out. My God. Woo. Another wagon.
Do that one fucking.
We got ISs for days. Oh. Right-hand drive Jeter. I don't know how you guys call it, but. We got all different kinds of cars coming in. And this 86 is clean. Hey, head to the website for Iceyyyboyz sticker. Or come out to me and get one for free. You already know. Get me tucking hard. That's how you do it, boys and girls.
Yeah, like that shit breaks super easy.
What's up, guys? Yeah, there's so many ISs, but Hoffman's isn't even here. Where is it, bro? What's up, Ricky? But oh, the front bumper? You gotta wait, bro. Yeah, see, where's your car?
Man, fuck y'all. All my shit, my shit ain't even registered.
Oh, it's not registered? Oh, fuck. Gus said it was registered.
My tags were in June, so I should got a while ago before they do.
Oh, for real? Yeah, this shit is tight. You should go BN, bro. What kit did you even get?
The Vertex one, or the Urus, or Urus?
Oh. It was like a Vertex look?
Huh?
You said this is probably my favorite wagon right now. This is beautiful. I love everything about this thing. Just look at it. The white is super nice. I'm gonna get a lip for mine. This shit's super clean. I need real wheels too. But fuck, dude. And the lip. Damn, we got more people coming in, dude. It's so packed right now. Holy shit. Oh my god, dude, the lots are already full. Jesus Christ. Homie Brian leaving. Deuces, bro. Drive safe, bro. See ya. Later. Some people leaving. Your headlights. Okay. Oh, who's that? What up, bro?
You have the other wheel.
I have one ready for you.
Yes.
A white one? Yeah, I have one exactly like that. Because I know you have to put it on the side. Oh man, rub. Aya's on deck. Damn, same. My fender, same. It's just clean. Damn, great turnout, boys. Great turnout. Never mind. Oh, damn.
240 frames.
Oh shit. Dude, this meat is popping. It's going. Damn, that shit's fucking clean. What up, bro? Where you been? What up, bro? Damn, dude, it's fucking popping. Ricky's homies. Damn, you bro. Dude, it's packed.
That guy, the other guy's the one I sold the IS to.
Oh, really?
Zuma gave me the RPS to train me.
That's the other brother. Kenny's asked you to come before. Ow!
Hey, let's see your wing. Let's see your wing.
Oh!
Let's show your wing.
Dude, it's been a while.
This is Anthony, if you guys seen our old video, super old
my
video.
wing snapped.
Really?
On the fucking freeway.
Is your fat ass sat on it?
So like, it snapped right here. So I just got it welded.
What, is it still snap?
No, I just got it welded. Dude,
Oh.
I gotta show you, bro. It's so fucking funny.
That shit's obnoxious. You do not daily that.
Yeah, I do.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do. I was trying to go.
Don't lie. Don't lie to the camera.
It's my only car.
Come on. I couldn't even daily my car.
Dog.
You really daily it? Look at the fucking exhaust, bro. Get on my. What the fuck, bro?
It's chopper out.
What?
I gotta be different somehow. Dude.
Oh, chopper.
Look. Yo, what the fork?
That's what I'm saying. Oh. Oh.
Yeah, look.
Bro, it's because you didn't have those support.
JB welded?
Oh my god.
Did you JB weld it? I took it to a welding shop.
Bro, that's why you got like People usually get the things and they put it on there.
Bitch ass, like, he designed it so bad. Everything's so fucking sturdy here.
This is on camera.
I don't give a shit, dude. Everyone, I've been fucking roasting that phone on IG, dog, and he's just like, ooh. But like,
wait, so it just snapped?
Yeah, well, I
Bro, usually they have supports like going to your trunk like
I didn't
this.
have the X-rays on.
Oh, now you do.
So like, do you guys remember at all like the how much movement it had?
No, this is the first time I'm seeing it.
Imagine a whole inch. It would like on the freeway.
It would shift like an inch.
It go back and forth.
It would be like this on the freeway.
Oh fuck.
Oh, that's sketch.
Cause like I thought it was okay because my friend Jersey slept during it for a year. Like never snapped my head. I was like, fuck, he did.
I like this Miata's taillights, bro. This shit is pretty clean. Super cool. Damn, dude. Shit's clean. Got a whole bunch of cars over here I didn't see. Damn, this is a big ass bump though. Meat's still popping, guys. It's like 11 o'clock. Super chill.
Hey, your shit leak or no?
And
Like a motherfucker.
we'll cut his shit
The way
out.
I see it though, the way I see it, if the oil's always leaking, the oil's always fresh. You know, it's
Hey.
fresh oil.
Hey man, I work at IBFAMILY, bro. I get that shit for free, dog.
Like, you're an idiot. He said if you're leaking, then you got fresh oil at all times.
At all times, nigga, no matter
Yeah, no matter what, every week, dude. There we go.
Every week.
Like, hey, look. Hey, free oil change every week, dude. I get a free oil. I don't even gotta fucking drain the car. Be like, all right, sick, dude, top it off. Let me get my filter real quick.
But just like, at least I know, like, I get fresh oil. I should be leaking all the time, so it's always fresh.
Always fresh, bro. Always fresh.
People be spending money on Swiss Springs.
Just trying to be different. They say rolling with the fucking flow.
And check out the only real part of my car. 226 valve covers.
Where?
Mira, fucking sick ass.
Is that it? You only got one?
You only got one.
Hey, you only got one?
I got I traded Works, dude, and then the.
No, you only got one.
Yeah, you only gave me one Works. He's like, I lost it at a car wash, but I'll call those fools and I'll get them back. I'm like, I'm not getting no shit back. Dude showed up just like, mira, dude.
As you drive to where it's going from
M to drive.
Yeah, it's electronic to manual. That's calm.
That's hilarious.
That's funny the way he described Calvin when he told him it sounded just like Calvin.
And then I'm like, nah, dude, it's automatic. He's like, what the fuck?
Just ask Calvin, is he static or back?
Is he static now?
Yeah, he's static, dude.
Static cups. Here, let me show the people real quick.
Calvin, you're not static.
Hey Calvin, here for the people one time, so you stop playing, everybody. Where you at? My name is Calvin and I'm static. But what's that? That's a car. That's a car.